How to add stickers to photos on Samsung phone. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen or in the app screen, open up the gallery app. Next in here, go back to your gallery main page. And then we're going to open up a picture. Next, go down and tap on the edit button. Then down here at the bottom, tap on the decorations button. And then tap on stickers. Next, down here are a list of different stickers that you can add. So select the stickers. You can add in the date stickers, shapes, and other things that you want to add. You can also drag on the slider bar here to make it bigger or smaller. And then tap on saved. And that's how you can add stickers to photos on your Samsung phone. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.